I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me,
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect.
Hey y'all, if you're new here, my name is Steph and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. Right now we are in Chicago. It is Memorial Day weekend. It is now Sunday. I think it's like May 26th or something like that. But yes, I am at my parents' house right now and we're having a little barbecue get together. All the family is here and you know, we're just catching a vibe. I'm also gonna get ready to go to like a little beach club, you know, catch a little tan or whatever, because I gotta get this melanin back popping. But yes, this vlog is gonna be, you know, some vibes, some things that's dark, some things that's kind of needed. It's getting hot out, you know, all that good stuff. And
bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up.
As soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't broke me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Chucky. I don't even pay no dirty clothes, I need where they at. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walked out and blew some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crash some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That don't make me no hoe. That don't make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes. I need peace of mind. Roll that weed, I'm fine. I say only be with dime. If she with me, she mine. If she with me, she fine. Excuse me if I'm late. I'll be on CP time. Yeah.
I just changed my clothes, put on something a little more comfortable, and me and my man are gonna go to Bolingbrook and we're gonna go play Topgolf for a little while, and we're gonna do the beach. My bad, y'all. Naperville, and go play Topgolf. And we were gonna do the beach club today, but it wasn't like beach weather for real today. Plus everything I did yesterday, I told y'all about. It was just not giving beach today, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. So let's take this little ride now. We're gonna listen to music and I'm gonna check in when we get to Topgolf.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisted slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. Know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she got a choice. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep this shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner, till I D.I.D. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
You gotta do better. Did they count that? I appreciate you, bro. Yup. Okay, at least you got 3.
What's bogus. Hey y'all, good morning. It is the next day. I just got up, got cleaned up, and I'm about to get dressed and we're gonna go to the beach club. Last night at Topgolf was so fun. It was so different, something that me and my boyfriend like never did, so we had so much fun. Definitely have to do it again. It was in Naperville, Illinois, so if you're ever in Illinois, definitely go check them out. So now we're about to get ready and head to the Shore Club, which is like downtown. It's like a beach club, and y'all, I can't wait. I just need to get some editing done, you know, relax on the beach and probably head back home. So I wish we could have made this trip longer, but it was good to see family and vibe with them. Haven't seen them in a minute, so definitely have to make this more often. Yeah, so let's go get dressed. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm trying to decide on what do I want to wear. I have a couple of options. Let me set this up. I really want to wear this outfit because it's cute. I was going to wear it with orange and it was going to be so cute. And it was going to give it like some color. We're on a beach, you know. I love like these type of tones on my skin. I wish you guys could see it. But it's brown. And I was going to wear my swimsuit, but it's black. And I wanted to really do something that was bright. So this might be the option. And I'm looking for my bag right now that I want to wear with it. Oh, I brought it. I just got this bag from JWP or PA, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I just got this bag and I think it'd be cute with it. Let me see what you guys think. And I have like these orange heel sandals. What you guys think? And my gold accessories. Because I want to get a picture, y'all. Like, I haven't took no pictures this weekend. And I was wearing so many cute outfits and then take not one picture. And that's so sad. But I'm trying to get one today. I am on the beach by the water. It is definitely giving like take a picture. So hopefully I can get a freaking picture in. Like, but yeah, I'm about to get dressed now. Get my face together. Get these hair and curls together. And yeah, I'll check back in when I'm dressed. Okay, y'all, so I'm out the house and dressed. I decided to go with the swimsuit. It is black, like 4-piece set I got from Pretty Little Thing, and I matched it with my silver JW bag and silver accessories.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
And all that other stuff. So now we're in the car now. We're heading our way to the beach club now. We're probably gonna grab some food to go from Kitchen and Cocktails to eat there. And I'm excited, y'all. Just getting out the house, just, you know, catching a vibe everywhere
At
we're
the
going.
stop sign, turn right onto West.
I'm gonna talk when we get to the beach, cause
then turn left onto Cicero Avenue.
Siri keeps talking, so yeah, we're gonna talk when we get to the beach. We made it to the beach. Now we're coming up on the Shore Club. This is a little white thing that's like right there.
Talk shit, but they never have news. I've been on top for a while. Yes, I chip to the moon. That's how I make one go. Nigga just boom, boom. I'm a visionary. I got them niggas scary.
Just left Shore Club. It was actually really good. Now we're just gonna chill on the beach for a little while. It's a beautiful day. And then we're gonna head on back.
Bought a big paddock with a brand new princess. Inside a new Maybach, coupe in the butter jet. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in like I'm sliding in the beam. But working on my confidence and respect, I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us.
and waiting on my drink right now. But they got music playing, so I ain't gonna talk too long. And so we'll check back in when the food come, and I'm gonna let y'all know how everything.
How my hair look? I'm scared that it might look too.
Oh no, I ain't get your face. Don't worry. I got your teeth. So they look nice. Got me an Alfredo pizza with my mule.
Yes.
Got an Italian pizza. The little dip, now you're gonna have to dip your Italian pizza now.
Yeah, I'm a dip it.
So we finna get eating, and let me do a bite. Let's do a bite. I'm trying to see how I want to eat this. Y'all, 10 out of 10.
That's a perfect little video.
10 out of 10 for sure.
That's the only time I ever shoot below the neck. Why you keep on shooting if you know that nigga dead? That's the only kind of shit that gets you some respect.
And then I looked at my uncle and...
let me guess. He died?
Hey y'all, so I'm editing and I noticed that my footage from Saturday morning is missing from getting ready and knowing what everything's going on. So just a quick update. So me and my man, we went to go get his nephews and we took him to go see the new Spiderman. It was pretty good for kids, y'all. I hate how it ended, but it was pretty good. If you have any kids, nephews, nieces, anybody who love those Marvel type movies, it is definitely a great movie. But now we're gonna get into the Saturday morning. We woke up, we all got dressed, and we went to brunch at the Breakfast Club, which is down the street from our house. It was a really good vibe, all that good stuff. But yeah, we're gonna get into that footage and we're just gonna keep this vlog going. Thank you guys for tuning in again, and hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Your social medias, where can they find you?
My name is Alize. I also go by Stella. My business name is Stella Aesthetics.
I've been on top for a while. That's our chip to the moon. Fast car make one room.
Well, right here.
Boom, boom. I'm visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new
Hey y'all, so it is the next day. Yesterday was definitely good. I had came home, had to do some work, fix my computer and stuff like that to start editing, and uploaded some get ready with me reels. If you all follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me. I'm gonna leave that like up here, also in the description box below. But it is now Sunday and it is a little later now. I just got done doing the rest of my work and now we're about to make some Sunday dinner. I was thinking like some mac and cheese, some cabbage, some chicken, like some just, you know, some slight. I'm feeling in the mood on my, you know, on my Martha Stewart is. Go in the kitchen now, we're finna get started.
Aiming out of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell sleeping on the mattress. Feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red fish in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Straight gold, let these niggas know we've already. Smoking clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were panning up. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best up. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button up. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a band down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweater. There's dripping niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Spent the best 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and love shopping the rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, piss a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the pesos. I can only hit the engine in this Lambo. On the spaceship.
Hey besties, it is now Monday, June 5th, and Sunday dinner was bomb, y'all. Like, yes, like I love that vegan mac and cheese. Like, it was so good. I had to go back for like at least seconds and thirds, and I had to put some up for today just to have me a little snack when I'm editing. So yes, it is Monday again, and the footage from this morning is missing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to end this vlog right here. Yes, y'all, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this vlog. I had a lot of things going on, and I definitely want to start picking up the camera and getting back active and showing you guys what I do throughout the day. And I'm excited for this new journey. So yes, please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all social networks, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.